Creamy and authentic lentil hummus, perfect for those people that don't like chickpeas. It's made super easy and it will surely satisfy you. So to begin with, you'll need to start with your lentils. So I've got 1 cup of uncooked green lentils. I'll cover them with hot water. Add some salt and let that cook for about 25 minutes or until they're just soft. If you overcook them, it's fine. They're gonna get blended anyway. So let's leave that to cook. So the lentils are cooked. I have drained them and cooled them. So now we're gonna add all of our ingredients to a food processor and process into creamy hummus. Right, so I've added my lentils and I've also added 2 tablespoons of the cooking liquid of the lentils. And now I'm gonna proceed to add my other ingredients. Add 1 clove of garlic, juice of 1 lemon, 1 to 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 teaspoon of cumin, about 1/3 of a teaspoon of salt, and 2 to 3 tablespoons of tahini. Now let's blend until creamy. You will need to scrape off the sides a few times. I found that wetting your spoon to smooth out the hummus really works like a dream because it creates a very smooth and even swirls, if you like. So yeah, a tip from me is to always wet your spoon. You can add your desired toppings. I'm gonna go for a couple of herbs and spices. And to dip my hummus with, I found these amazing pretzel crackers. As you can see, they're vegan, they're sour cream and onion, and they're gonna go perfect with that hummus.